and welcome my dear kids to our today's maths class. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome. Once again I welcome you to our today's class. So today we're gonna start our next lesson, that is time. Okay. So you guys know about time and everything. I'm right. You guys know to see the time. I'm right. Yes. If watch is there, if clock is there, you guys know. I'm right. So you're very familiar. Already in your earlier classes, you learned how to read time using clocks. I'm right. Okay. So here we and also in this lesson we gonna see convert time from one unit to another. How to conversion. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Before that, take your textbook, your workout note. Okay, everything. Keep a pencil along with you. Okay, guys. Shall we go? Yes. In this time lesson, the first thing is already in every lesson we have this takeoff section. Like this here also takeoff section is there. Okay. So fill in the blanks and also draw the correct time in the clock. This is the takeoff section. Okay. First question. Okay. So I get up 7 o'clock a.m. or p.m. in the morning. What's the correct answer? I get up 7 a.m. in the morning. You know very well. Listen. So 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Now we want to draw this time in this clock. Okay. So before that, I just show you a picture of clock. Just drawn for you. To first, clock contains 3 hands. I'm right. A bigger one is minute hand, the smaller is hour hand, and the third one is second hand. Okay. So I just gonna show on watch for you. Okay. Is it visible to you, my dear kids? Okay. Here this blue color is the minute hand. This red color is the hour hand, and this black one is the second hand. Okay. Here we want to draw the 7 o'clock. So how we should draw? See here, if 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. or 7 o'clock means, how means? Minute hand should be in 12. The minute hand should be in 12 and the hour hand is in 7. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Minute hand is in 12 and hour hand is in 7. This is 7 o'clock. Likewise, if you want to change into for one more example, 9 o'clock means how it should be. Now see, 9 o'clock, this minute hand is in 12 and the hour hand is in 9. Okay, guys, are you clear? You can test this. Okay, in your home you have watches with you, isn't it? Not digital one. Use this analog, ordinary. Okay, in this you can check this with your different example, with your own example you can use. Okay, so guys, let's move to the next topic, calculating time in hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, we know this formula, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so both the sections are there in your textbook, page number 123. This section, please underline this, very very important. Okay, so here we first gonna see converting this hours into minutes. This is the first step. First question we gonna see now. Okay, so here is our first example, converting hours to minutes. Okay, so first question is convert 4 hours to minutes. So if you want to convert this hours into minutes, you just do one simple thing, multiply into 60. Okay, are you clear, guys? If you want to convert hours to minute, we need to multiply by 60. Okay, so 4 hour is here. Solution. 4 hours. This 4H means 4 hours. 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60. Okay, 4 into 60. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I am right? Yes, this is a formula. So 4 hours equal to, here we gonna convert this hours into minute. I am right? So 4 hour is equal to 4 into 60. If you multiply this, you will get the answer. Okay? So here the answer is 240 minutes. Okay, guys, don't forget, please think this, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Don't forget these two things. Okay, let's move to the next example. Okay, dear children, next we gonna see our next example, 2, converting minutes to hours. Okay, here convert 520 minutes to hours. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So for converting minutes to hour, you should divide by 60. For hours to minute, you need to multiply by 60. Here you want to divide by 60. Okay. So 520 minutes is equal to 520 divided by 6. Okay. Guys, please do the by 60. Sorry. If guys, please do the division along with me. So if you divide 520 divide by 60, you will get the answer. Okay. So after doing this division, we will get like this, 520 divided by 60. So 8 as the quotient and 40 as the remainder. So how you should write means 8 hours. The 8 full means 8 is full time, right? 8 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, so write like this. Quotient as 8. Write the quotient with hour and this remainder with minutes. Okay, so the answer is 8 hours and 40 minutes. Are you clear, guys? Okay, our next session, converting minutes to seconds. Converting minutes to second. Example 3. Question is convert 7 minutes to seconds. Here you want to multiply by 60. Okay, multiply by 60. So if you want to convert minutes to second, what do you want to do, ma? Should multiply by 60. So 7 minutes is equal to 7 into 60. Okay, 7 into 60. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So multiply by 60. So what is the answer? 7 6 is 42. Write this 0 as it is and use this seconds. Okay, so 420 seconds is the answer. Are you clear, guys? Whenever I am doing like this calculations, please do along with me. Okay. Here is our next example, next section, converting seconds to a minute. In this conversion of seconds to a minute, you should divide by 60. Okay, divide by 60. Okay, for converting minutes to second, you should multiply by 60. Here you want to divide by 60. Okay. So we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here in the question we have 475 seconds. Okay. So 475 divided by 60. Okay. So just do the division. Guys, please do along with me. Okay. So you'll get 7 as the quotient and 55 as the remainder. So how we will write the answer, ma? 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Why? Because here you want to convert into minutes. So write the quotient as 7 minutes and remainder 55 as seconds. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Okay, dear children, let's move to the next section, 24 hours clock. Take your textbook, page number 126. Okay. So here, something different, okay. We're gonna see something different things. As already we've seen, we know 12 hours clock, isn't it? So here 24 hours clock, okay. We are gonna see that. Please take your pencil when I'm reading. Please take your textbook also. When I'm reading, keep your pencil along with me. How I am reading, you just follow me, okay. According to the 24 hours clock, the time interval from the midnight to the next midnight is divided into 24 hours. The way of writing time differs from the 12 hours clock. The 24 hours clock uses the notation HH, hours, minute. Okay, when HH indicates the hour and MM indicates the minutes. Okay, so come, let's see this line. From this you can easily understand. Okay, here above is given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 23. Down is our normal time, 12 hours time. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 12 o'clock again comes 1 o'clock, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. like that. This normally we follow this. That one example, railway time. Yes, is 14 minutes. This comes which ma? After 12, it comes 13 minutes 1, 14 minutes 2 o'clock, 15 minutes 3 o'clock. Okay, like that. So whenever you are using, whenever using 24 hours time, we won't use this AM or PM. This AM and PM we mainly use for this 12 hours time. For this 24 hours time, we won't use anything. We just write like this, hours. Okay, HH, hours, minute, and SH. Okay, we won't, but for the 12-hour time, here we use AM and PM. AM means morning, PM means afternoon. Okay, after 12 o'clock, we use this 1 PM, 12 PM, 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM. Here 12 AM, 1 AM, 2 AM. Up to here this AM, up to here PM. This is our normal time, visual time we used to follow. This 24 time is entirely different. Okay, after 12 comes 13, 14, like that. Okay, are you clear? Next we gonna see some problems regarding this. Okay guys, are you clear? So let's see the very first example, converting time from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Okay, if you want to convert AM to 24 hours timing, write the time as it is in hours. Okay, remember to replace this please underline this guys. Remember to replace AM with HR. Okay, if you are converting this 12 hour to 24 hours, see here is 6:15 AM. It is in the morning, but don't use AM here. Write like this hour. This is hour and this is minute. The unit is hours. Okay. So don't use this AM or PM whenever you are converting this 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Are you clear? 8:30 AM means don't use this AM here. Instead of AM, you should write this H. Okay. So 8:30 H hours. 11:59 don't use AM is 9:59 hours. Okay, so 11 hours 59 minutes. Okay, but at the same time when it's moved to, if it is AM, don't worry, like write as it is and take this AM and write as H. But if the PM is there, means just nothing is there, very simple, just add along with this 7 hours 15 minutes plus add this 12 minutes you just to add along with this. Okay, so 7 plus 7 15 plus 12, this gives you the answer. Okay, so what is the answer, ma? So 19 hours 15 minutes. Okay, are you clear? Like this only second and also. If PM is there, means don't write the PM. For that you should add the 12 hours along with them. Okay, if you see the 12 hours clock, 11:57 PM is at the near to 12 o'clock at night time, right? So you should add a 12 along with this, you will get the answer. Okay, are you clear guys? Now for converting time from 24, just reverse. Okay, here 12 to 20, here 12 to 24, here 24 hours clock to 12 hours clock, 12-hour clock. Okay, here the time is less than 12 hour, then write with an AM. If it is less than 12 AM, see here, less than 12 it is called as AM. So if it is less than 12 AM, don't worry, write the time as it is. Here, see the very first example, 3 hours. So it is early morning, 3 o'clock, so 3 AM. Okay, now if the time is more than 12, which is time is more than 12 hour, subtract 12 from the time and write with PM. Okay, now come to an example, 14 hours 15 minutes. Okay, so if you want to know the 12-hour time means you should subtract. There we add, here we want to subtract. So 14 hours 15 minutes minus this 12 hours. Okay, so you will get the answer as 2:15 PM. Okay, guys, are you clear? Okay guys, our next session is calendar. Okay, so the first section is conversion of years into month. We know 12 months is equal to 1 year. So here our first example is convert 3 years into month. Convert 3 years into month. So at the 3 years, so 3 years is equal to, if you want to convert years to month, what you want to do means multiply with 12. Are you clear? multiply with 12. Multiply by 12. So 3 years is there. So 3 into 12 months. Guys, what is 3 into 12? Do it fast and say the answer, my dear kids. Yes, the answer is, this is 36. Very good. 36 months. This is the answer. Okay. So if you want to convert years to months, just multiply by 12. Okay. So now to the next example. Convert 2 years, 5 months into months. Okay. So 2 years, 5 months. First you want to convert this 2 years. So we know 2 years is equal to 2 into 12 months. I am right? So what is the answer now? What is 2 into 12 gives you, guys? Do it fast and say the answer. Yes, it is 24 months. Very good. Next, we have 2 years and 5 months. I am right. So 2 years, 5 months is equal to 2 years means how many months, ma? 24 months. So 24 months plus this 5 months. Okay, are we clear, my dear kids? So 24 plus 5 gives you 29 months. Okay. So 2 years, 5 months is equal to 24 months. Are you clear? Okay. Our next and the last section is conversion of month into years. Okay. That is the example. Convert 64 months into years. Okay. 64 months years. So 12 months is equal to 1 year. Guys, you know. So for this, you should divide by 12. Okay. This is divide by 12. If you want to convert year into month, you should multiply by 12. If you want to convert month into years, you should divide by 12. Okay. So 64 months is equal to 64 divided by 12. Okay, guys, please do the division along with me. So, 12 5s are 60. So, remainder 4. Quotient is 5. So, what is the answer? You want to convert month to year. I am right. So, 5 year and below the year what will come? Month, isn't it? So, how it will come? Year, month. Isn't it? You know that year, month, week, days, hours, like that. So, after what will come? So, 5 years and 4 months. Are you clear, guys? Yes? Very simple. Don't get confused, okay? Please go through this videos 2 or 3 times. Why? Because you get confused easily. So, please go through the video as well as your textbook having more example. Try to complete at least 2 or 3. At least in each section, try to do at least 2. Okay? So, if you have any doubt regarding this lesson, please don't forget to text me or you can call me. Okay, guys? Thank you. Take care.